Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Imagine two candidates walking into an interview. One has excellent knowledge and but struggle to communication, and other has average knowledge but good communication and full of confidence. So you were the interviewer. Whom would you select? This is the question difference between hard skill versus soft skill. This is the secret formula, hard skill plus soft skill. This is the secret formula for your career success. Hard skill are the teachable and easy to know that what they have what they have मतलब you should what the degree you have, and it is the visible, you can find it any person in any time, and acquired through formal education or training. It is achieved from the college, schools and the other institutes. Example, coding, financial accounting, medical surgery, foreign language. But if we talk about soft skill, these are invisible. You can find it only for their behavior to that person. It is a hard to measure but easy to feel. Example, communication, teamwork, leadership, time management. The sources of the hard skill, books, school, you can find it, but in the soft skill, this life experience gives you the knowledge, and the target of this hard skill to task and job, but the soft skill the target to achieve the job and the promotion to any company. And the logic of hard skill is IQ, intelligence, and the soft skill is EQ, emotional intelligence. So you can see that picture, that hard skill the visible, but the soft skill is invisible. Hard skill are the tips, but the soft skill are the foundation. Hard skill get you the interview, but the soft skill gives you the job and the promotion. So why soft skill matter in 2026? Robots can code, but they can't lead people. It is possible only for your soft skill. If you know about the how to communicate others, how to face others, and how to behave with others, so this gives you the good leadership for any company. And the second is remote work. Good communication is now more important than ever. And the crisis management, handling stress during times. If you feel stressed, then you can talk any person. If you are walking in any road and you are feeling stressed, nervous, then you can talk with others. This is only possible for if you know about the soft skill. So the question is how to develop them. Firstly, you should listen carefully. You face the audience, and firstly you should listen carefully but they talk, and then after that you express their ideas before listening. The second is step out, jobs, clubs or give presentation. This is also improve the soft skill. And the third way is feedback, ask others how can you improve, because others notice your mistake. If you unable to know your mistake, then but others notice your mistakes, so you should ask other how we can improve. Hard skill makes you a professional, but the soft skill makes you a leader. Because it is in today's world, it's not just what you know, it's also how to express it. Thank you.
Wonderful. Aryan has really bring a very confusing topic, which